Food waste is a major problem. About 1/3 of all food that is produced worldwide is not eaten. It is important to consider the causes of food waste in order to avoid it. Food waste happens when people throw away food. Sometimes people remark that a fruit or vegetable is oddly shaped. They won't buy it if it does not look delightful, so huge amounts of produce never make it to stores. So suppliers throw away the food. Food waste also happens when people have bought too much food and then throw some away. This is especially true for food that stays fresh for only a brief time. Food waste harms the environment. Wasted food goes to landfills. These use up space and cause pollution. To better honour food resources, ask for less food and buy only necessary items from the grocery store. All of us have the ability to stop food waste.